Rahmanullah Gurbaz, who actually top scored in a practice match. Off we go then, the start of the Cardan University Cup. Bang. Well, even if the boundary was back all the way, that would still have been 6. What a way to open your account. Edge just wide of second slip. Well, if his first boundary was fantastic, that was a little bit more fortuitous. Just past Andrew Balbirnie. And Gurbaz.
Huge victory.
Lovely shot, Gurbaz again. He's picked that up off his hip. Beautiful timing.
Lovely piece of that.
That'll be 4 more. Far too fine for Craig Young. And Gurbaz is off and running.
Ironic.
And that rubs salt in the wounds. From an Irish perspective, it's been clobbered over mid-off by Javed Ahmadi for...
Too short. Really too short from Craig Young, and Ireland have generally been... And he gets in the gap. It's gone for 4. 2 boundaries from the over. And excellent for Afghanistan. 8 overs gone, it's 48 for no wicket. Wow. 5K mark. Shot. And it's gone all the way for a 6. Drives gloriously. And it will be a boundary. 6, then a 4. Well, it's a long half volley, but I like to see this through the offside. We've seen plenty. Pulls, finds the gap, and they've gone all the way for a 6. That's 50 if it's gone all the way for a 6. Yeah, definitely carried all the way. That's a magnificent half century. Absolutely stunning strokes and fitting. On his debut for Gurbaz. No slip, and it's gone for 4. Adventurous, flirtatious, but it's a welcome boundary for Gurbaz. Good awareness from him.
To Andy Flowers alongside me. Once again, that was good work by Curtis Camphor out there. Deep backward square leg. Good use of the feet, and that'll go all the way for 6. Even with a boundary right back, that still would have cleared the ropes by quite some distance. So the 5th, 6th for Rahman.
Down the ground. There is a fielder, but he is spectator. It's gone for a 6.
Well so far. Down the ground. That's gone for another maximum by Gurbaz. Takes on Paul Sterling.
The confidence to go over the top.
There it is. 100 on debut for Rahmanullah Gurbaz. What an achievement. Just the 16th player in the history of one-day international cricket to score a century on debut. Outstanding. And it's been an innings of 2 parts. His first 50 in just 38 balls. He's had to work for that second 50, but boy, does he deserve the landmark now. Well played.
Marvellous, absolutely marvellous to see. Brilliant knock. This is a moment he'll cherish forever. Not a flamboyant stroke, but probably one of the most important runs he'll ever score in his career. Look what it means to me. Gives room, edges, and it will bring him a boundary. A lucky boundary there for Gurbaz.
Fortune favours the brave on this occasion.
pulls. They got the man on the boundary, but he has found the gap, and it's traveled all the way for a 6. Back to the boundary for Gurbaz. He's accelerating. Shot. Excellent shot. Wow.
Superb cricket from Gurbaz. Yes, he's in. Yes, he's been in for a while.
8. It's coming down to the third man boundary here. Long change for the fielder. It's a boundary.
Got a lot of well.
Back again. Short ball. And there is the fielder on the boundary, and he's been caught on the boundary. Wicket at a time where they were building a partnership.
Well,